Alright guys, hopefully this is going to come out alright. So, after talking with Malcolm and I think Josie mentioned it too, I think what the problem was on this car was the pitch, because I found a 48P 28 tooth pinion that I threw in there real quick. Didn't tighten down too good before we went to the flea market this morning. And talk about good mesh. Pretty good. So hopefully this will take care of it. It ran great this morning. I need a new driver. This thing sucks. But hopefully they'll last a little bit. I need to get some Loctite on it. I'm not gonna Loctite until I'm sure what gear ratio we want. Still probably gonna order new gears. You know, but we'll get it out on a. Maybe I didn't turn it on yet. We'll get it out on the track for a quick run. See how she does. Definitely sounds a lot better. Let's throw the other camera on just for good measure in case I got some good hop-ups. Oh, look how much smoother that is, guys. Pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. Hope everybody's having a great weekend. We had a great time at the flea market this morning, even though I was a little grumpy. Had trouble sleeping last night. One of them days. Oh, different car. Okay, guys. This thing is freaking awesome. I'm going to be able to hit doubles, no problem. I didn't recharge the battery, not because I didn't run her that long. You saw the run yesterday. These URGENEX last pretty good, even for a 2200 mAh. Ooh. Okay. Don't do that again. Gotta get the whip out and get that grass out of there. And then, ooh. Then it's time for some sand and carpet. Man, Sunday morning I can't drive nothing. I need another cup of coffee or two. So I hope you guys like our new little trail. Anyways, like I was saying, hope you like our new trailer area. It's a little under-geared, I think, maybe. But once I put a brushless system in there, I got a plan. I think I'm going to put the X-Team in there. The 5400. Might be a little bit too high geared for track. I prefer like under a 4800 kV. Generally, 36 is preferred for the little guys. I'm gonna get some paint out today, do some more work on the track too, with any luck. Come on. I might need to tighten this again, and it might come loose. You saw how little I tightened it. But this is definitely a track car. Completely different rig. Get these shocks dialed in. Get the brushless setup up. Now that we know that the problem wasn't the gears. Still probably going to get the gears. I think I said that before. No sense in not giving it a fresh up. And I'm going to get the heat sink because this thing gets hot. I mean, it gets hot. Probably because of the 4-wheel and the big wheels. Reminds me of like a RC10T almost in terms of the chassis. Speaking of that, I almost got one of those this morning for $50, man. The old RC10T. I think the battery's dying already. But I ran it yesterday, so I'm not surprised. This is just a test run to make sure that that's working. So, and I think it is. I think it is. So, I got a line on a couple more of these. Yeah, thermal cutoff. We're done. We're done. Battery's done. Battery's done. So, hopefully you guys like and subscribe and all that. And, yeah, battery's totally shot. And I'll see you when I see you. You have a great weekend. Ooh, it's on fire. On fire. ESC just fried. Told you it ran hot. Looks like it's still on though. We'll let it cool off, see what happens. Well, I didn't like that ESC anyways. I don't know if it's any good. You guys know anything about a K Pro, whatever it is? Man. It's not the motor at least. It's just the ESC. I don't know anything about this. Anyways, like and subscribe, guys. See you when I see ya. Peace.